Hey YouTubers, boy have I got a treat for you. So this is a KLM 120 watt VHF ham radio power amplifier. And I got this big puppy free at the Melbourne Ham Fest. Quite impressive, huh? Well, so let me show you why I got it free. Blue break free. All right. Okay, what the heck are they talking about? Tested blue house breaker. What the hell? But this is 13 volt 20 amp. How the hell? Oh, you're gonna love this. So, let's follow the yellow brick road. Oh, what the hell? Yeah. Wow. All of my years of seeing ham tardism, I've never seen this one. So I know that you know that we want to see what the inside of this thing looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and pause, open it up, and see what we got going on. So to be honest, I got the cover off. I was expecting kapow! But there's no kapow. I don't know, there's... looks like one of those transistors might have had a bad day. But I was expecting violent explosions and stuff. There really isn't. I don't know. I'm going to have to get in here with a multimeter and see if there's any chance whatsoever of saving this. But, yeah, kiddies. You don't hook up your car amp to the 110 volt outlet. That shit don't fly.